Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Nur Nasiha binti Muhammad Fadli from BA 250 A. I study Bachelor of Business Administration and majoring in Economic at Faculty Business Administration and Management from University Technology Mara Campus Kota Baru, Kelantan. My industrial training program period was starting from 1st March and ending on 12 August 2022. Currently, I am doing my industrial training at Stmicroelectronics located at Mall Johor. I assigned in Finance Department of Share Accounting Service ASA in Asset Accounting Team, now has ASA under direction of Madam Ru Cheng Ti. My faculty supervisor is Madam Suraya binti Hussein and Madam Nik Suryati binti Nik Hassan. Last but not least, I would like to thanks for giving me a chance to present my knowledge gain and SWOT analysis regarding my industrial training program at Stmicroelectronics Neighborhood. As we can see in this slide, this is my agenda for my presentation today, and in this presentation, I will explain about student profile, company profile, training reflection, SWOT analysis diagram, including discussion and recommendation, and more detail at the next slide. So we will go to the first agenda, which is my student profile. For this slide, now let me explain about my student profile. This is my updated resume that include my background profile, my education, my aptitudes, and language. In this slide, I am going to share a little bit about Stmicroelectronics Neighborhood background. Actually, Stmicroelectronics is a French-Italian multinational electronic and semiconductor manufacturer firm headquartered in Planless Quarter near Geneva, Switzerland, and usually called as ST. Mr. Jean-Marc Cherry is the president and CEO of Stmicroelectronics. Besides this, Stmicroelectronics is one of the world's largest semiconductor manufacturer firm. ST is a global leader in offering semiconductor solutions that improve people's life today and in the future, as well as a leading integrated device manufacturer that delivers solutions for smart driving and the Internet of Things. In Malaysia, Thomson built ST-MOA in 1974 at its an assembly plant headquarters. ST-MOA is a town in Johor. ST-MOA has 4,000 more employees as of the year 2022. ST-MOA is a manufacturing company that focuses on the back end. ST-MOA main business in back-end production and technology development, automotive product, smart power product, micro-electromechanical system and sensor, digital consumer item, and microcontroller are among ST-MOA electrical components. This slide shows the vision and mission of Stmicroelectronics Neighborhood. The only reason the organization can exist is because of its mission, and then vision of the organization is where it wants to be in the future. So, the vision of ST is everywhere microelectronics make a positive contribution to people's life. Next, the vision of ST provide the semiconductor solution that help our customer make a positive contribution to people's life today and into the future, enabling life augmented. As we know, the objective company are short-term operational goal. So, as you can see, this slide show the objective of Stmicroelectronics Neighborhood. As your information, the main activity of Stmicroelectronics is manufacturing, and then ST produce a broad range of semiconductor product. This slide shows the list of products Stmicroelectronics produce. The firstly is dedicated automotive ICS, and then analog, industrial and power conservation ICS. Third is GP MCU and NPU square MCU EEPROM. And then discrete and power transistor, furthermore maps and optical sensing solution, and lastly exists based on ST proprietary technologies. Now, this slide I will like to explain about the service offered by Stmicroelectronics. Firstly is about electronic design service for both domestic and industrial device, as well as for logistics, sport and wellness, hospital and medical equipment, the furniture and design sector and others field. Integrated solutions are developed in ST. Additionally, ST develop and deploy gadgets that are either request or that it creates on its own. ST is developing technology advanced, aesthetically beautiful system and product. So ST innovation solution combine precision with ease of use. All of ST project have the following characteristics, which are dependability, convenience of installation, and simplicity of use. They are share the objective, outcome, and goal of its client. Next, for Stmicroelectronics engineering service, from the initial stage of an idea to the finished product and aftermarket service, ST may assist their client. Then ST can provide service on a global scale and have the knowledge to do so. Then it's about research and development service. System of all sizes can be developed expertly and through by ST. ST focus on creating competitive products for industry like industrial, telecom, defenses, automotive, and medical technology. The ability to see the broad picture, considerable firmware and software knowledge, and year of experience all this ST. One of ST areas of expertise is wireless application. That is about new product introduction service. Is over the past 30 years. ST offer NPI service in several sectors including telecom, defense, industrial, medtech, and automotive. In this service also, ST have offered more than 1,000 different production tests since years 1983. Now it's about production service. ST production facility is adaptable and can handle anything from the fabrication of complex to mass production. And ST also have in-depth expertise in OEM production. Next, ST provide their client with top-notch OEM goods that are delivered, and Stmicroelectronics can provide their client with anything from prototype production to series manufacturing as a one-stop shop for production and manufacturing service. Last but not least is about aftermarket service. From the initial idea to the final solution or product, Stmicroelectronics is a full service solution partner who can assist ST customer internationally. And ST also perform this with outstanding dependability, efficiency, and adaptability because ST organizations are strategically situated close to their client and then offer quick response time, excellent service, and affordable solution. So this slide shows the chart organization of Stmicroelectronics yang berhad. So this is chart organization of SASA department. SASA is known as Share Accounting Service Asia. There are two share service centers in ST which are ASUS in Europe and SASA in Timor. Both share service are handling finance related tasks for other ST entities at a common place. The head of SASA department is Mr. C.L. Sir. Then SASA in Timor has divided into 5 teams which are Management Control Team, General Ledger Team, Asset Accounting Team, Account Payable Team, and Account Receivable Team. Now, I will explain about my training reflection. My enjoyable experience 6-month industrial training program in SASA department under the Asset Accounting Team at Timor begin for first month of March and ending on 12 August 2022. Timor office hours start from Monday until Friday, which is from 8:30 a.m. until 6 p.m. However, Saturday and Sunday are holiday for this organization. At Timor, I assigned a Finance Department of Share Accounting Service Asia in Asset Accounting Team under direction Madam Ru Cheng Ti, that handling daily tasks related to finance for other ST entities. My faculty supervisor is Madam Suraya binti Hussein and Madam Nik Suryati binti Nik Hasan. Here are some of benefit, just the allowance, skill, clinic service and knowledge that I received and gained from ST Timor. Every month, I receive 1,500 ringgit in my bank account number as allowance. Besides this, STMO also provide clinic service to internship students. Then I will be covered under insurance of ST company, which is Group Personal Accident GPA. Lastly, I have 5 days of yearly leave in total during working at STMO. As a knowledge, I am enabling the ability to prepare file for uploading in order to publish journal voucher, payroll, and maintain record for the other ST entities. I also gain a knowledge of reverse, which is used when it necessary to modify some of the accounting information to a document that has already been uploaded in SAP system. And then next, when work with corporate, I also get to improve my communication skill in the workplace, including written and oral, and for the presentation communication. Next, I will share about my daily tasks that assigned under me since the first day of working in STMOA. There are 4 major daily tasks during my industrial training program under asset accounting team. Firstly, I assist to do journal voucher posting. There are 6 entities in charge under me, which are ST Taiwan, Australia, Thailand, China, Shenzhen, and others. So for the JV posting, firstly I need to check the request received and then post in SAP system. After that, checking on posted document, and last, need to notify requester by email. And then I need to ensure a chief supporting document into SAP system within a cut-off. Secondly, I assist to do payroll posting in SAP system. There are 9 entities in charge under me, which are ST Taiwan, Australia, Thailand, Shenzhen, China, Indonesia, Philippines, and others. Firstly, I need to post payroll into SAP system and then monitor and reply IDOC to requester. And for information, IDOC is an automatic project in SAP whereby payroll is posting automatically in SAP F1. And then third, I assist to all tasks related about asset accounting. There are 5 entities that in charge under me, which are ST Singapore, India, Shenzhen, Kalamba, and others. Firstly, for asset creation, next, cost center update, and for the asset master update is updating the information on asset such as serial number, inventory number, and inventory note. Besides this, I assist to write off asset to ensure that disposal to physical and in SAP for current years. Then I assist in providing asset balance is to see how much acquisition value versus depreciation value. And the lastly is in preparing asset retirement report. The asset retirement report is summary of report for every period of end month. The last but not least, my daily tasks are for prepare bank record. There are 3 entities in charge under me, which are ST Singapore, PTE, BSU, and India. The bank record is matching process between bank statement and SAP record, and to ensure all bank statement and SAP are reconciled. Next, I need to do bank clearing by clear open item in SAP. The bank clearing is to ensure every bank transaction have pairing. Now we move on the main point of this presentation, which are SWOT analysis that related to pastel analysis. By doing this, we can evaluate the internal potential, limitation, and probability, opportunity, and strength for external environment for Stmicroelectronics, Berhad, and SASA department. Based on my observation, there are 2 strengths of ST and SASA department, which are largest manufacturing semiconductor firm, and SASA have skillful management. Meanwhile, STMO weakness can be into problem of limited working space and limited of car parking. Moreover, industrial training at STMO have potential job opportunities. Next, I will get new equipment and stationery. And lastly, internship students also get employees recruitment. And then, the trade of ST is involved in issue of volatile exchange rate and technology obsolescence in the industry. Based on my observation, the first strength of Stmicroelectronics is largest manufacturing semiconductor firm. a global leader in offering semiconductor solutions that improve people's lives today and in the future. As well, ST has a leading integrated device manufacturer that delivers solutions for smart driving and the Internet of Things. ST also received the total revenue is $9.56 billion. The strength of SASA department is about skillful management. Based on my observation, my asset accounting team handled all the tasks very professional over the all period within cut-off, and then handled the leave in a professional manner, also providing better service to others ST entities in Asia under the company Stmicroelectronics than any other financial organization. As a recommendation to maintain the strength, ST employees should always exchange ideas and opinion, help each other, and make good decisions to ensure that ST objective can be achieved successfully. During my industrial training program at Stmicroelectronics under SASA department, there are some of weakness. Firstly, is about limited working space. All employees in SASA department need to share their working space, and also interns were required to sit in any empty seat that was available. Secondly, is about limited car parking. The shortage of parking space and is forced to share space with employees of the other company, which is Micron company. The parking spots are provided on a first-come, first-served basis. So, I suggest ST must spend more of their profit to increase the number of parking spots by renting out more land in the company area. There are some of opportunities at Stmicroelectronics and SASA department. Firstly, is about job opportunities. ST provides job opening to recent graduates as well as to individuals who have previous experience working and training with ST. And then ST also offer employment recruitment that Human Resources Management develop training for internship students for 3 days and transfer employees from one department to another department, and then develop training for English class each year. And lastly, Human Resources Management of ST also arrange business trip for employees in certain department to another ST entities. And lastly is about trade. Stmicroelectronics Chamberlain also face some of threat. The first threat is about volatile exchange rate. ST is a semiconductor firm that will trade goods and services internationally. The bottom line of ST will be directly impacted by a change in the exchange rate. So, as a recommendation, I suggest ST need to take into account a plan of purchase and sale by spreading the risk to reduce currency risk or lose from the rate increase. Next, ST also face issue on technology obsolescence in the industry. ST is susceptible to obsolescence OEM. ST will have problem when production downtime, which affect the bottom line, is the inevitable outcome. So I suggest that ST need to take steps in the area of planning and programming, design, construction, operation, maintenance and renewal, as well as retrofitting or reusing technology life cycle to prevent technology obsolescence. As a conclusion, internship or industrial training provide excellent exposure for undergraduates since they allow us to learn more about what happened during the working experiment, recognize our own inadequacies, and comprehend the skill we will need in the real world. So, based on my observation, Stmore is a great company with growth opportunities. I am extremely grateful and honored to be able to join Stmore and become the part of SASA family members. Special thanks to my supervisor and team member for their instruction and assistance during my internship under Asset Accounting team. Explain how gaining additional managerial and operational experience become an opportunity to the company. Thank you, madam, for this question. Firstly, explain how gaining additional managerial. The company need to train, teach, coach, and mentor. A big part of being an effective company is developing their team. To do that, a company needs to know how to onboard and train new employees, coach experienced employees, and eventually mentor employees. Of course, to be considered for an opportunity to train new employees is a given that company need to be very good at their job or whatever it is that company teaching. Beyond being good at something, it is important to learn and practice the skill of training, coaching, and mentoring. The best way to learn is by doing. Volunteer to develop a training program, volunteer to mentor other privileged employees, or coach at a sport team and learn the art of coaching. Next, how operational experience become an opportunity to the company. Firstly, the company need invest in technology. The new technology can be a powerful way to streamline and improve company daily operation. Consider investing in tools such as customer relationship management software, service management system, and automatic customer service platform. These tools can help company reduce staff workload, reduce company costs, and can automatically track important metrics. And then staying up to date with new technology can also ensure that company remain competitive in their market over time. Secondly, the human resources management of company also need to improve training. Productive staff is often a powerful asset for companies that are trying to increase their operational success. One way to improve staff productivity is through extensive and regular training. The company leader can consider creating automative training module for their employees during the onboarding process, which may allow them to provide education while maintaining low costs. If a company is incorporating new technology into its process, supervisor can ensure that all staff members receive instruction for implementing it. And lastly, leader can also encourage their manager and team lead to provide regular training session to refresh their employee skills. That's all from me. Thank you.